Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a tutorial on how to get a glam natural nudish look, so stay tuned. Okay babes, so we're going to start with the E.L.F poreless putty primer, just to set our face and then get our foundation going on top. This feels so silky. I think I did like a review on this before. This is literally from the drugstore, and this is my go-to because I tried other ones from Sephora and they feel cakey. They don't do the job for me, so I'm good with this one. So while that's setting, I'm gonna get started on my eyebrows and get those going. I was online recently and I was reading up on like the whole Jeffree Star chaos. I know if you guys heard about it. It is crazy. It just happened so fast too, because I remember like last time he was online and he was all talking about him and Nathan, how they broke up and stuff. And that was like, what, like maybe like 7-8 months ago. They had been together for like 5 years. And like, I guess he's over it now and he's dating like this pro basketball player from like overseas and stuff. And honey, that guy's ex-girlfriend, girlfriend, whatever she was on Instagram. And it's like, you can't even like say too much because we don't even know what's going on. But then it comes to the point where it's like, why even post about it? Like, she went and basically was just like, I could have did anything for us, you know, I could have worked harder if it's about money. And it's like, girl, I don't even think it's about the money at this point. Like, he's not into you. I mean, but that must be very heartbreaking. I mean, we don't know how long they were together, but you're with this person for like X, Y, and Z years, and it's like out of nowhere he's just posted online with Jeffree Star. It's just crazy. But what can you say? Feel bad for the girl, but I mean, it's like you didn't get the signs, or like he didn't give you any signs that he was like, you know, swinging the other way. Because girl, he must have been looking at some dude's cheeks while you was walking with him or something. If it just don't make sense how out of nowhere he's just full blown, you know, switched to the other side. So, and it is, I mean, it is shady though that he just went ahead and got her pregnant and then had a whole baby with him. Oh man, I don't even want to imagine that anyway. But that is crazy. It just came out of nowhere. You know, you can't even come for Jeffree, because what he will do is drag you. He will drag you and he don't care. Jeffree is already over it. I mean, but he is pretty shady too. You know how he starts talking about, you know, he started talking about Nathan when him and Nathan broke up, talking about, oh, now his life is going to be more exciting and whatnot. And it's like, well, if you were so bored, Jeffree, why the heck were you with Nathan for like 5 years? Don't make no sense. Like, you seem a little bitter there, hon. Don't make no sense at all. Okay, so I'm not going too dark. This one, you guys, this eyebrow always fails me, so I'm like over it already. Like, you could tell I just started. But I try, like, I don't even do too much. My eyebrows are already hairy. And that's good. I'm not doing too much. It's supposed to be natural anyway, right? So that'll be fine with me. Next I'm going to grab some concealer. I have the Makeup Forever, the HD, and then I also have the E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer. I like this one better, even though this one costed me like, it was like 30 something bucks. Like this one, we'll try them both. I'm going to use the E.L.F concealer for my eyebrows, just to give them a clean shape to it. Wait, I just thought about it. Whatever happened to the Jeffree Star and what's his face drama, James Charles? All I remember is seeing a video of like Jeffree Star apologizing. Well, not really even apologizing. He was like talking about himself the whole time. So it was like a half-ass apology. I was like, okay, is that how we apologize nowadays? Because I wouldn't accepted that. Well, James Charles never said anything about it, so there goes that. Okay. So we're just concealing the brow and just giving it that clean look to it. If you live in California, you guys, it is crazy out here. We have the pandemic going. We have all these wildfires. Our sky right now is literally like orange for some reason. And it's from the fires like around the region and stuff. It don't even smell like smoke. It's just like orange. It's like crazy. I'm telling you guys, like, it don't feel right. Like, and then there's like hurricanes and stuff down by like Louisiana, and then I think they were talking about Texas and stuff. It's just, man, telling you, more people need to start asking God for forgiveness, because you're out there sinning and it's not sitting well up there. Okay, so that's done. My face is already it's already primed, so we're going to just go ahead and start applying the foundation. I use the Makeupforever HD Ultra HD. This is the color Y405, and it's bomb. So it's not liquid, well, kind of like liquid. It's like a crayon, so you literally like put it on. It, like, you can't even tell you have it on. This is what I do. It's just so simple. And make sure you get your shade, because you don't want to be looking crazy out here. And you just start blending out. You guys, make sure that your beauty blender, you get it wet beforehand. You don't want to apply it with the dry beauty blender, because it's going to take away all the foundation, and it's going to come out like cakey and dry, and it's not going to look cute. So we're going to go in with the Makeupforever Ultra HD. This is the color, what color is this? 30.5 concealer. So we're just going to apply a little bit under the eye area. I don't do too much, although you can do too much if you like. But this does it for me. I think that's good. You'll get another beauty blender and blend it out. So that's well blended. Then we're going to go in. I don't know why, but I like to like set my powder underneath. Meanwhile, right after, then I'll do my eyeshadow. Usually people do their eyeshadow first, whatnot. I like to set my concealer first and then start doing my eyeshadow. And if there's any fallout, I go back and fix it. But this is the way I like to do it. So some setting powder. Do it lightly, don't overdo it. I know I've seen some people that bake for days with this. And hey, each their own. Well, obviously it's not going to look like this, so we'll leave it alone. Then we're gonna do a little eyeshadow. This is super filthy. The Narcissist NARS palette. It's so cute. So you can see, it has all the shadows. Like if you wanted to do a smoky eye, and I probably should have did that. No, actually I'll do it next time. If you want to do a smoky eye, this is the palette because it has all the right brown tones and it has the black tones to it. But we're going to just use some of the beige tones today. We're going to go in with the Sigma large shader brush. It's the E60. So we're going to start with the lightest color, of course. So let's go in. This is interesting. The colors, it doesn't really say which color is which, but the colors in the back, it says they have the Newbury Street, the Windsor, Privilege, Dover, Splendor, Versailles, E.L.F, and all these other colors that I can't even pronounce, so I'm going to leave it at that. But the palette is bomb. So spread it out. I'm using this color, guys. I'm going to go in with the this is like a brownish reddish right here. So we're going to use that one. We're going to start from the outer corner going in. And the last one I'm going to blend in there is the, it's like a light shimmery gold. Light shimmery gold. Going to just set it at the top. Then we go in and we just put it in the inner corner. Right now it looks so pale because you're not done yet, so don't be alarmed. And I have the NYX matte bronzer. This one's really good. Doesn't cake, it doesn't fade out throughout the day. So you just want to start applying to your cheekbone and up. Don't apply like directly, apply right below it. And you have to like blend out really well. Otherwise you're going to have like a big old streak. Then, so you kind of just blend it all over your face. Just make sure that when you apply the product, you start off with your cheeks because that's where you want the most product at. And that's where you want the bronzer to start off at. And then the rest you could just, you know, fade it out. You want to create like a 3 on your face, kind of like give you that contour and stuff. So we'll do that. Then I like to apply my lashes. So these lashes, they're not too dramatic. I love these lashes. They're so cute. And they're even packaged in this cutest little thing with the soft close. Okay, so they're both on now. They give it that poppin' look. And then we just go in with the final touches, which is the add a little bit of highlighter. And I use the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. And I go in with the Sigma, the large angled contour brush, the F40. It's for contouring, but I like it to use it for the highlighter. So there's that. You just go ahead And apply it. Ooh, looking glossy. You can see it already. I don't know why I have an obsession with adding highlighter to my nose and my upper lip. So there's that. Okay, so go ahead and add to the other side.
Look at that shimmer though. Can't beat it.
Use our setting spray. Make sure that all the things you added on your face are set in stone. And this is the Cover Fix Mattifying Setting Spray. And it's bomb and it smells good. So let's do that. Feel so refreshed. Last but not least, we're going to do our lips, and this is the Satin Viva Glam 2 845 by MAC. And this is like a it's like a nude tone. So I'll go ahead, first I'm going to line my lip. Just a quick liner, because I am not going to, just a quick liner because I'm not going to just put on heavy lipstick. I'm going to just dab it on. You guys remember, like back in the early 2000s, there was that look that with the, it'll be like a nude lip and like heavy eyeliner. Man, those were the good times. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It's just very nudish with the nude lip. It's a matte lipstick. If make sure that you guys do a sugar scrub before then to make sure your lipstick doesn't look cakey on you. Overall, this is the look. Very shimmery. It's very cute and subtle. So make sure you guys subscribe, like for more, and then we'll see you next time.